Welcome back to my channel, Tailor TR. My name is TerrellTailored. Listen, as always, I want to see who's the first person to like this video without watching it. Smash the like button. I need to see 2 million likes on this video. Yo, stay tuned, keep it locked. Let's get into it. I'm TerrellTailored. Hey, wait. Yo, Tailor's Drop, listen. If you really rocking with me, drop the scissors emoji in the comment section. If you know we cutting out the haters. Listen, I'm excited today. I teamed up with Pure Naturals with Smooth Moisture. They sponsored this video to do the best twist out ever. Listen, I got the best twist out ever. I'm excited. These are the results right here. I'm going to walk you through from start to finish on how to get the best twist out, how to get a fire twist out, and how to get this curl pattern. Listen. Tailor Tribe, I must say the twist out is fire today. The twist out is fire. I used the Jamaican mango and lime butter coconut cream is fire. The coconut buttercream is fire. I used that to get this twist out. I'm excited about it. I can't wait to get in this video. I'm gonna walk you through the twist out, the wash routine. I wash my hair. I use their products. Their products is great. It's a lot of moisture in my hair. My hair is a lot more soft. It's moisturized, and I'm excited about this video. Enough of me rambling and talking. Like this video before you even watch it. All right, so we're about to get started with this wash day routine and twist out, starting with the Pure Naturals with Smooth Moisture. We're going to do the actual coconut buttercream. Listen, this is going to get the twist out fire, but first we're going to go through with our wash day routine. It has a great smell to it. It's actually with no frizz. This really turned out really well. I'm really excited about this one. And then you have the twisting gel as well. You have your leave-in conditioner. You know how I feel about leave-in conditioner, and your shampoo, which is sulfate free, and your styling oil as well. So first, now we're going to turn on the shower. We're going to get it nice and hot and steamy. I like to actually lock in the moisture with my hair, so that's what I'm doing right now, is locking in the moisture with my hair before I actually get in the shower and start to wash it. So what you see me doing right now is working the shampoo through my hair. I'm trying to get it directly to my scalp, and as you see, my hair is really loving this shampoo. It's bringing out my natural curl pattern. I have really curly hair and I deal with shrinkage a lot. Shrinkage is one of the things that I've dealt with throughout my hair journey, but I managed to do it as well. As you see, it's very lengthy and very curly. My curls are defined. It's like a really tight curl pattern that I have. Is more so like 4C. So these products actually help to bring out this natural curl pattern that you see in here in my shower routine. I haven't done a wash day routine in probably a couple years for YouTube, so I'm excited about doing this wash day routine combined with the twist out. And so now I'm just putting in some leave-in conditioner as well. This is going to add an extra benefit of nutrients and enrichment with vitamins within this leave-in conditioner as well. And then so now I'm going to just let it air dry and start to use the coconut buttercream to do this twist out. Yes. Now, one thing I do love about this coconut buttercream is that it's actually really tightening up my curl pattern. That's one thing that I like in this twist out. And so now, as you see, this is the next day, the actual next morning, that you see these twists is very defined and curly. As you see, I'm taking them out here. As soon as I take out a twist, it bounces back with a curl pattern. That's really dope. That's one of the things that I really liked about this product line as well, that is really getting my curls defined, and it's actually softer too. That's one thing that I really did notice, that my hair is a lot softer. It is not any residue. That's one thing that I look for in a product, to make sure there's no residue when I actually do take out my curls. And then you just go right in with the oil as well. want to say thanks to Pure Natural Smooth Moisture for sending me this product line. These are the twist out results. I use the Jamaican mango butter and coconut buttercream. Listen, it's fire, it's lit. All right, Tailor, so hope this was able to assist you in your natural journey. Right, you looking to get curlier hair or longer hair, whatever the case may be. Yo, follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter, and my vlog channel at Tailor Life. And Tailor Trial, remember, it's never too late to tailor your life the way you want to see it. My name is TerrellTailored. Can't wait to see you next time.